Another awesome dinner came from my air fryer tonight. Cut up 1 onion, add 2 cups of frozen broccoli, cut up 2 chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces. To that, you're gonna add seasoning, olive oil, soy sauce, garlic powder, ground ginger, and pepper. Toss everything so that it's coated well, and then stick it in your air fryer at 380 degrees for 25 minutes. For best results, I would toss it every 5 to 10 minutes. Finish with 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and sesame seeds. Yum, I love this. Follow for more recipes.